Hi there, English 100 students. This is your professor, Michael Bloomingberg. I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to week 2 of the semester. I hope everything is going well, and I particularly hope you're finding success in your English 101 class. And so what I'm looking to do in this video is to walk you through the week 2 coursework for English 100. Just make sure that everything makes sense, and hopefully you'll find this video helpful. So I'm on our course Blackboard page, and the place I'm going to go to, which is also the place where you always want to start each new week, is in course content. So I'm going to go ahead and click there. From there, you'll see that we have weekly folders. Of course, week 1 as of this time is in the past. So we're going to click on week 2, and what you'll find in week 2 is that I have created a week 2 coursework folder that I think you'll find helpful. That's the first place you want to start because that's going to let you know what you need to do this week in the 100 class. I'm going to click on it as a PDF file just for brevity's sake, and I'm going to move the my video screen up just a little bit so that we can scroll down and take a look at what it is that you need to do. All right, so this week's theme is MLA formatting for setting up papers. We started looking at that a little bit last week. As you might recall, I placed that link for the Purdue OWL in the week 1 folder, and hopefully you had a little time to process that. But I want you to make sure that you watch this week's video that I've posted in the resources folder, as I think you will find that helpful in understanding what you need to do. I'll show you where that is in just a moment. Remember too that I have included a sample setup sheet to review along with the video. So my hope is between the two you'll have a good idea of what you need to do in terms of reaching MLA standards to set up your papers, especially since the English 101 paper will be coming up just around the corner. Once you've had a chance to look at the resources, here's what you need to do. On a Microsoft Word document, use the MLA standard we have reviewed, and again, check out that video. It's a whole separate video on the review process. And type one paragraph where you detail your early experiences in English 101. Of course, I realize we're early in, it was just a week into the semester, but talk about how you're doing in English 101. Do you have any fears, anxieties, and what do you think will be most challenging? It just needs to be a fully developed paragraph. Think in terms of 5 to 7 sentences, nothing too daunting there. But write one paragraph using the MLA standards. That's what I'm asking you to do. That means you must create a header and a page number even though the assignment is only one paragraph. Again, the key is to practice so you know how to set up your paper in 101. Make sure you proofread to avoid excessive typo, grammar errors. Your score on this assignment will be based on how well you stick to the MLA standards, of course, along with the insight you share. Notice that this is a little bit different from last week. The assignment's worth 10 points. Your paragraph must be posted as an attachment no later than midnight Wednesday, and you need 2 replies to a classmate. And the first reply is due no later than 11:59 p.m. Friday, and the second by 11:59 p.m. Sunday. Now you may ask how long your replies need to be. I'll post an update on that by the time you view this video. About 50 words or just very brief replies will do, where again you're commenting on what the person is sharing regarding his or her experiences in 101. You could talk about formatting issues as well, but I really don't want you to dive too much into that because I'll be giving each one of you feedback on that as I review the assignment. Now, go back to the week 2 folder for just a second. The video will be posted, well, let me go back one more. There we go. In the resources folder. So once you get a look at that, go to the resources folder. There you'll find that I've put together a sheet for you, and I'll just pull up the PDF file. And this one just kind of lets you know what the MLA standards look like, along with some information that I think you'll find helpful. And by the way, I just looked at the PDF version. The Word document's the same thing, and it's the same formatting sheet, just in 2 different styles for your convenience. Here's the video that I put together for the MLA standards. I'll let you check that out. Now, I've not set this up as of the making of the video, but by the time you view this video, just below this folder, you will see a direct link to the discussion board, which will take you to the assignment, or you can just click discussion board and that'll lead you there as well. So one of the things I wanted to show you how to do is, since you're using a Word document and you're saving your work, I just want to show you how you're going to attach. That's what needs to be done by Wednesday. So you're just going to click on the forum. You're going to click Create Thread, just like you did last week when you posted your introduction. And you're going to say, for your subject, something like MLA Standard English 101 paragraph, something to that extent. And what I want you to do is go down to where it says Attachments and hit Browse My Computer. And you will need to pull up your paragraph. I'm not looking for you to type it here. In fact, I'll make that bold. Don't type your paragraph there. Instead, you've saved your paragraph. You need to select Browse My Computer and attach your paper there, and you'll see it in the attachment area once you do so. Then hit Submit. As far as what you could put in the box, you can say, here is my paragraph, or something to that extent. Okay, so I think that's it, folks, and I just want to make sure you understand that the whole purpose behind this week is so that you're ready to begin working in your English 101 course. Everything that we're doing in this class is geared towards making you successful in the 101 class. Hope you found this video helpful. Send me feedback. If you have questions, let me know, and good luck getting that paragraph put together.